Astrology plays a major role in everybody's life. So there comes a question that whether you will be suitable for a job or whether you will be suitable for a business can be revealed by checking your own birth chart. Okay, so your astrological birth chart will be having 12 houses, the 12 compartments. Each compartment in your birth chart talks about a specific event in your life. So similar way, sixth house talks about service. Okay, whereas seventh house talks about business, and whereas 10th house talks about again your profession, it talks about a job or a business, both. And whereas 11th house talks about your income flow, your incoming gains, whereas second house talks about your assets, and 12th house talks about expenses and losses. So we need to see the weightage of the planets. Most importantly, what is the Ashtaka Varga score of these houses? Mainly the 6th house, 7th house, 10th house, 11th house, and the second house. This determines whether you will be suitable for a job or a business. And also we need to check the placements of the planets, whether the 6th house lord is stronger or the 7th house lord is stronger, or the planets associated the 6th house is stronger or 7th house is stronger. So as I mentioned to you, 6th house talks about service and 7th house talks about business. If at all 6th house is more stronger than and 6th house has got more score compared to the 7th house, then obviously this person will be suitable for a service or a job. And if at all 7th house score is higher than the 6th house and the 7th house planets are sitting in a very friendly sign and also they're energetic enough, then we can say that this person will be capable to do a business. And what type of business depends upon the planets that are associated with the 7th house and the 10th house. Okay, if at all there is any Dhana Yogas that is forming between the 7th house, 2nd house, and the 11th house, then it is considered as this person will be very suitable for a business. Okay, for example, let's take Libra Lagna. For the Libra Lagna people, Scorpio becomes the 2nd house and Aries becomes the 7th house. And both for Scorpio and Aries, that is for the 2nd house and 7th house for Libra Lagna, Mars becomes the 2nd house planet for both for Libra Lagna. Okay, so and this 2nd house lord is placed in the 11th house. Then it is an indication that this person will be taking up the business during this point of time. He will be able to make the money through business. That is what the revelations can be done. And depending upon the planets that are associated, you will be excelling well in that specific sector. Okay, for that we have to completely analyze your birth chart. And also we need to see which are the aspects the planets, the 6th house and 7th house, 10th house, 11th house and 2nd house are receiving. And also we need to check the Navamsha chart as well. Similar way, what are the nakshatras what are the nakshatras these planets are situated? On how is that nakshatra lord strength? All these things has to be thoroughly analyzed. And also the D10 chart, the 6th house placement, 7th house placement, and also the 10th house placement has to be thoroughly analyzed to come into a conclusion whether this person will be suitable for a job or a business. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you want the astrological analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart, you need to book for an astrology consultations. The link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Okay, so thank you so much and stay tuned. And if at all you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon and the subscribe button. And also I have made so many videos related to Raja Yogas and also career prospects astrology, business prospects astrology in my YouTube channel. There are nearly 400 to 450 videos in my YouTube channel. Please do check those videos also so that you'll be able to learn lot of concepts related to Vedic astrology. My objective is to teach you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. So do book for the astrology consultations. The link is mentioned in the description section and I'll wait for your consultation. Bye for now.